When you register to collect and pay tax in a jurisdiction, you need to let us know by adding those jurisdictions to your Avalara account. We only calculate tax in jurisdictions where you've told us you're registered. Let's look at an example. Let's say you expected to see a tax amount for this transaction, but the tax amount is zero. You need to find out why. Your business isn't collecting tax where the transaction occurred, so we don't check whether your customer is exempt or whether your product is taxable. So let's check out where you collect. We only calculate tax in the places you've added. It looks like you haven't added Kentucky. If your business is registered to collect and pay tax in Kentucky, add it. Now we'll calculate tax on transactions that occur in Kentucky. Let's see if making that change affects how we calculate your tax. The tax rate is still zero. What's going on here? You need to recalculate the tax on this transaction for the change to take effect. The new tax amount will show up here. If you have multiple sales in Kentucky, you'll need to recalculate tax on each transaction. Use filters to find transactions that may be affected by adding Kentucky to where you collect. Select the transactions, then recalculate the tax. Remember, when you recalculate taxes in your Avalara account, the updated tax amounts do not automatically flow back to your business application. Instead, you need to manually make the updates so that the tax amounts match. This important step makes it easier to reconcile your sales information each month. Let's review. You identified a problem by noticing an unexpected tax amount. You added a jurisdiction to where you collect. Then you recalculated tax on the transactions in the jurisdiction where you've told us you're registered.